ಇದು ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಇವರು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದು ಚುನಾವಣೆ. ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಆಯೋಗ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಿ ಎಸ್ಪಿ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ? I demand Chief Election Commission, please look after this. 3 hours you addressed the media persons in Delhi while announcing the election dates. What is going on in Karnataka? Who is there to run the election smoothly? Who will take the responsibility? I demand this election commission. Sunday night, I requested Karnataka Election Commission, what is going on in Bangalore rural. I sent all the video clippings. ಇದು ಕುಕ್ಕರ್. ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನತೆ ಪಾಪ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ರಂತೆ. ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಬಸ್ ಅಂತೆ. 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರೇ ಪಾಪ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನತೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. Sunday they announced the date. Even yesterday they have loaded 2 vehicles, more than 4 lakh cookers. After the election date announced, even now still they are distributing. Yesterday night 2,10,000 cooker pieces they have loaded. This is the style of election function in Karnataka. Please, I request the Chief Election Commissioner, look into this. What kind of fair election you are conducting in this country? A honest cardiologist contesting from BJP, how can he face the election, this kind of election? This is the Gordon. After I have informed he directed Ramnagara DC, you please look into it. DC is conveying me after election commission directed us, Karnataka State Election Commission, I referred this matter to commercial tax. He is telling me 2 commercial tax officers went there. There is no such kind of activities. DC is telling. But this is going on. Today also, they are manufacturing these cookers. Today they have given the direction. Today they have given the direction. Grade these brothers. Without labeling the coverage, this cooker box, you please send. After taking from there, delivering, we will, in other places, we will going to stick on our photos. Today still it is going on. Commercial tax officer, they have given the information to the DC, he is telling, there is no such activities. This is going on. Mr. Siddaramaiah, your 2,000 rupees of guarantee is saving the life of these poor people. Then what is necessary for you to distribute these cookers? Please answer to the people. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವತ್ತೀಗ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ 2002 ಚುನಾವಣೆ.
ಅನುಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೊಸ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ www.vistaranews.com ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಗೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿಯಲು ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.